everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss the what is tuple and why we need tuple in Python. So tuples are written square brackets where we have to use square brackets of tuple. So I'm going to create in tuple. Here you can see I'm printing, so print type of what is type. So I'm using the type of p. What is it type? Here you can see I'm created tuple. So here you can see the type of tuple. So and also tuples are collected in duplicate values. So here you can see the 220. So tuples are collected with duplicate values, and next one is tuples are printed in order. So that's why we call it as a sequence of type. So why we are using the tuple? So tuples are faster than list. So if you are, it makes your code safer, and if you write the project, so it does not need to be changes. It does not need to be changes. Okay, if I'm, and next one is index. So you can access the tuple item by referring to the index. So how do we using index here? Here you can see I'm printed 20 using the index value. So I'm going to print 2. Here you can see 39 to index of. So and next one is negative index. So how do we use negative index of the list? We also use it of list and strings, whatever data types we also using of index, negative index. So also we also using negative index. So I'm going to use here negative index. So here you can see I'm printing the minus index. So the next one is the range of index. So how do we use range of index on tuple? So I'm printing the range of index. So here you can see I want to print 0 to until I want to what I want to enough to. Here you can see I will get the two values, because so 2 is ignores, it will print two values. Here you can see 0 and 1. And next one is built-in method. So I can use built-in methods on the tuple. So I'm going to print p dot control plus space. Here you can get the two. There are two in built-in functions. So here you can see, so I'm going to use the count. How do we use the count on tuple? So I want to print for 20. The count means count of element. 20 is twice that will count of element, so that we can use of count. And next one is index. So how do we use index? So index means it refers to the index value. So I want to know about the 40 index value. I don't know the 40 index value, then it will use of index value. What is it will find out the index value. So if we want to find out index value, so we can use our index built-in function. I'm going to use keyword. So the keyword of del keyword, how do we use del keyword on the tuple? So I'm deleting of only particular element, so we cannot do here. If we want to delete particular element, we cannot do. If the delete entire of tuple, it will delete. So if I want to delete entire of tuple, so it will delete. So here you can see the p tuple is deleted. So if I want to print p, it will get the error. So here you can see the p is not defined. Okay, so the next one is built-in function. So how do we use built-in function in tuple? So the first one is just print p. So just take, I'm going to create another tuple. Here I am using the built-in functions. I'm going to, the first one is minimum. the table entire how much the minimum want to print. We have to mention here the minimum is 19, and as well as I'm going to use maximum tuple. Here you can see the 90 of maximum, and I'm going to use the length of tuple, how much the length of the tuple I'm going to use. Here you can see that length of tuple is 5, and next one is sum. How to use sum of tuple. So the I'm adding the all element. So here you can see the next one is double built-in function. So how to use double built-in function. So here I'm going to take list. So L equal to L is now list. So I want to convert into tuple. So how do we use tuple built-in function in convert? So that's why I'm going to take another variable. So I'm going to p equal to tuple. Here I'm entering the list variable. So just I'm print p. It will convert the tuple. So the list is convert into tuple. So let's print what is it type. So I'm going to print the p. Here you can see the list is now into tuple. So here you can see the p is converted into tuple. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to further videos. So